Hello.
So welcome to the channel. This is a GYTR Airbox, the real GYTR Airbox, and I'm going to fit it in here. I already dismounted the whole tank and stuff for a deep clean. Didn't put that on tape, but I will take you with me on installing this one. Like this short video, just to see how it sounds and how it looks underneath the world rate. Well, as you can see, they fitted in some instructions, but the instruction is take this one off, take this one off, the screw that's in here, and then you just pull it out and put the new one back in. I assume it would be a little bit more work than that. Bolt here, it's over here, but we'll see. So I took the airbox out. You have to unplug this cable a bit, and then you have one bolt on this side, on that side, and the clamps on here, and then you can just pull it out. I need the clamps again, but this one is not needed anymore, so going to install that one in here. So the GYTR box is in. It was actually pretty simple. Connected the two hoses again and put on this one. Mounted it here and on the other side. That's it. Now I need to build up the racks again that are over here, and then I can go on and put on the tanks again. Looks very nice.
Hello. New decals, same skid plate, same crash bars, different navigation setup, and larger brake discs. We had the new Motomasters brake disc, oversized 300 millimeters with a special adapter, so the brake caliper comes a bit backwards. If you want to do a single conversion, they also have a 320, and you can remove one with another adapter. Twin packs are still on it, and we installed the GYTR air filter box like you saw before this shot, and that's over here. I just rode a couple of miles with it, and the bike is more powerful. It's way more powerful in first and second gear. It does wheelie a bit easier, so that's not good for public roads. But it feels nice, it feels good. Some people say you have to tune the ECU. That's probably the best idea. I have the fuel dongle in it, so it's a lot richer, so it picks up right away at the start. Maybe I'm gonna put it on the dyno over the winter to see how it really performs and if I need to do an ECU flash or not. But for now, this is it with the new decals from Motostill. They'll be on the website today or tomorrow. So that's it for now. Stock rims, because I'm riding on the street right now. Gold rims will go on for the off-road season again. Omdraaien. Black Widow exhaust. New DMD. I need to put the connector on and I haven't installed it yet, so I'm gonna do that, but it's good, we already know. Oh yeah, and I had some carbon covers laying around from Supermo Fools, link is in the bio. They look pretty nice and they keep the
Wel goed stabiliseren straks.
Thank you for watching.